Old Quarter looks like chaos on a map. 36 streets, no grid, scooters everywhere, but tears a route that actually works. 6 stops, real walking times, and an honest call on which corners are worth the detour and which ones to skip. Here's the route we'd walk through the Old Quarter. Well, start at the lake, hit the market, cut through the Silver Street, and end at the rails. Block out 4 hours, plus coffee. Stop 1 is Hoan Kiem Lake, the navigational anchor of the whole quarter. Get here before 8 in the morning. The light is soft, the Tai Chi groups are out, and you can actually hear the water instead of horns. Walk the full loop, about 1.5 kilometers, 20 minutes at an easy pace. Cross the Red Huck Bridge to Moksun Temple if you want a quick stop, 30,000 dong to enter. After 9, the tour buses arrive, and the calm is gone. Skip the lake entirely in the afternoon. Come back at sunset only if you want the night market crowd. Stop 2 is Xuan Market, a 10-minute walk north along Hang Gai Street. 3 floors, but here is the honest verdict. Skip floors 2 and 3. The clothing and bulk goods are tourist-priced and low quality. The real reason to come is the ground floor food alley along the eastern side. Bun Rio crab noodle soup, Ban Tom shrimp fritters, and Shea dessert bowls, all between $2 and $4. Go around 11 in the morning before the lunch rush hits. Cash only, small bills. Allow 45 minutes, longer if you sit down to eat. Stop 3 is Hang Gai, the historic Silver Guild Street, a 6-minute walk south from the market. Here's the trick. Walk to the middle of the block. The corner shops are tourist traps with marked-up prices and machine-stamped pieces. Mid-block, you'll find the real workshops, often with a craftsman visible through the open front, hammering by hand. Earrings start around $8. Custom rings take a day. Even if you're not buying, it's worth 10 minutes just to watch the work. Quiet street, low scooter traffic, easy walking. Stop 4 is Train Street, an 8-minute walk west. Yes, it's overhyped on social media, but when the timing lines up, it still delivers. Trains pass roughly at 3:20 and 7:10 in the afternoon, plus a couple of morning runs. Check the current schedule that morning, since it shifts. Pick a café, order a Vietnamese coffee for about $2, and wait. The cafés pull the chairs back when the train comes. Stay seated, follow the staff's lead. Worth the detour for one pass, then move on. A few honest notes. Wear real walking shoes. The sidewalks are uneven and often blocked by parked scooters. Cross the street slowly and steadily. Never stop or run. The traffic flows around you. Carry small bills. Most stalls won't break a 500,000 dong note. Mornings are for the lake and market. Afternoons for the Silver Street and Train Street. And book your cafe table on Train Street. Don't just show up at rail time. For a base inside the quarter, La Siesta Premium Hang Gai is the practical pick. Quiet side street, walkable to every stop on this route. Rooftop bar with lake views. Around $140. If you want more space and a pool, try Apricot Hotel on the lake's western edge. Bigger rooms, art-filled lobby, 5 minutes to stop 1. Around $180 a night. Next up, we're routing the food alleys of Ho Chi Minh City, with timed stops and the same honest verdicts. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and hit like if this route saved you a planning hour. Drop your Hanoi questions in the comments. We read them all. See you on the next walk.